Welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Peppa and Granny Pig are having a camping night away. They have this lovely green tent with little trees all over. Let's see what Peppa and Granny have inside their tent. I'll open the door. Oh boy, there's all different types of wooden pieces. Let's have a look. What will we pull out first? What can you see when you go camping? Oh, other people. You might even see some wildlife, like a bear. And this is a brown bear. And if it was a grizzly bear, it'd have a huge hump right here. When you're camping in an area where there are bears, you need to be bear smart and pack all the food away somewhere safe, like a cooler in a car. Don't want to put food in a tent because the bear has such a good sense of smell. It could smell food through a tent. What else do we have in our camping tent? Oh, another wild animal you might see is a fox or a coyote. Reach my hand in. And of course, when you're camping, you'll probably see some trees. Maybe some trees with leaves, or maybe some trees with pine needles, or both. Trees with needles are called coniferous, and trees with leaves are called deciduous. There's also an animal. Oops, sorry, Peppa. You got knocked over. What is this, tiny fans? It has big antlers, and the name of it starts with the letter M. It's a moose, and we need to keep our distance from wildlife because they are unpredictable. We never know what they could do. And there are two more items in this tent. There is a little blue pad. What do you think this is? It's a little pond for Peppa to go canoeing with Granny Pig. And there's just enough room for both of them. Be sure if you're going for a canoe, a paddleboard, a kayak, any type of water sport, you wear a life jacket. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.